you stupid people looking at? Oh, yeah, I totally forgot. I gotta do my review. Alright, guys. So this is gonna go down, okay? Stop looking at my glasses, okay? I know I look super cooler and sexier than any of you stupid people do. But just calm down and just watch, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna be super excited when Wii U releases another Metroid game, okay, guys? I'm gonna be so freaking happy, okay? You stupid PS4 and Xbox One owners, you guys are gonna be crying like a bunch of little babies because you're gonna wish you play as Samus or real women like I play women every couple days. You understand me? You stupid Steam people, you people are the stupidest people of all time because you people don't respect anybody. You respect your own stupid game engine and your goddamn computer, you stupid people. But when I play, like on this Nintendo GameCube game, when I play with Samus on the damn Wii U, on my little control on my pad, don't tell my mom what I'm gonna do. Oh yes. Speaking of yours, so stop whining, bitch. Yes. I'm gonna be dragging it all fucking night to that shit. And I'm gonna fucking masturbate to like Princess Peach. You people are stupid. Buy Metroid when it comes out. Be like me. Be like the biggest cool kid in the damn world. Because none of you people can ever be like me. I'm worth a lot and you aren't worth shit. Comment, subscribe, and like. Bitch. Oh, and Samus, if you're watching this video, message me on Facebook, alright, baby?